Assalamualaikum, friends. Back again with Bolo Truak. Today, I want to invite you to take a closer look at the waduhhhhhh bird, one of Indonesia's fauna which is really interesting to explore. This time I set up a hanging snare in an oil palm plantation, where the waduhhhhh bird really likes bushes and lush and wet areas. This video shows where the flycatcher that I tied to attract other birds came, but the bird that was meant to attract it broke free from its tie. As a result, the trawl bird flew away. Thank you for watching my excitement today. And don't forget to follow the other videos. Wassalam.